Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology in MBBS first year in 1 month. This intensive plan requires dedication, but it's achievable. We'll break down the vast subject into manageable steps, focusing on effective learning strategies. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to tackle your physiology exams with confidence, even with a tight deadline. Let's get started on mastering this foundational medical science. To maximize your 1-month study, prioritize high-yield topics. Focus heavily on the cardiovascular, respiratory, renal, and nervous systems, as these are frequently tested. Spend extra time on challenging areas like neurophysiology and endocrinology. Reviewing past exam questions will help you identify recurring themes and important concepts. This strategic approach ensures you cover the most critical material effectively within your limited time frame. Effective study techniques are crucial for rapid learning. Employ active recall by quizzing yourself regularly, perhaps using flashcards or self-made questions. Integrate spaced repetition into your schedule to reinforce learning over time. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts can simplify complex physiological processes. Additionally, explaining concepts aloud to a study partner or even to yourself helps solidify your understanding and identify knowledge gaps. Aim for at least 2 hours of active study daily. Consistent practice and revision are vital for success. Dedicate time each day to solving multiple-choice and short-answer questions to test your knowledge. Reserve the final week exclusively for comprehensive revision, going over all your notes and diagrams. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly and maintain a balanced diet. Staying hydrated and taking short breaks will also enhance your focus and retention during this intensive study period. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.